In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize columns in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to show or hide the fields you care about and arrange them so your project list is clear, actionable, and easy to scan. First, open your project in List View. Asana offers a few ways to look at work, but List View is the one that shows tasks in rows with column headers across the top. If you're seeing boards or a timeline, switch to the list layout so those headers are visible. Once you're there, take a second to glance at the top bar. That's where each field, like the task name, assignee, and due date, appears as its own column. This is the place where you'll make all your changes. Next, look to the far right of those column headers for a small plus icon. Click that. A menu will open showing the fields that are available for this project. From here, simply check or uncheck the boxes to show or hide the fields you want. For example, if you're managing workloads, you might turn on assignee so you can see who's responsible at a glance. If you're tracking timelines, keep due date visible so deadlines never sneak up on you. The moment you toggle a field, your list updates instantly so you can see the effect right away. If your view feels cluttered, hide anything that isn't helping you make decisions today. You can always bring it back later from the same menu. Once you've chosen which fields to display, arrange them in the order that makes the most sense for your workflow. To reorder, click a column header and drag it left or right. Release it when you see the position you want. Consider placing the most important information closer to the task name so it's visible without scrolling. For example, many teams like assignee and due date near the front, keeping context tight and easy to read. If you're collaborating, think about what your teammates need to see first so everyone scans the list the same way. And don't worry, if you move something and it doesn't feel right, just drag it again until it does. The goal is a clean, predictable layout that highlights the details you use most and hides the rest. That's it. Open your project in List View, use the plus icon to show or hide fields, and drag headers to reorder them. With a few thoughtful tweaks, your Asana list becomes faster to read and easier to manage every single day.